Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro, and today I will show you how to insert SIM card into the device. And before we get started, I will say that you will need this SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device. You can find it in a box, and once you do get it, pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom of the device, so right over here. And once you push it in, you will see that the tray pops out. And when you take it out, you have space for a SIM card and also on the other side Nano memory. Hopefully you can see it. So on the back side Nano memory, and on the front SIM card. Now both of them are the same shape, so simply place them the same way as you would place a SIM card. Make sure that it's laying flush on the tray as this one is, and from there insert it back into the device. Now I do have a pin on my SIM card, so it will prompt me to put it in. There we go. And now if you really hate the fact that it just changed your language based on the SIM card, then you're not the only one. So I'll quickly show you how to change back to your language or where you can find it, because HUAWEI does this thing that even though phone was in English when I started off, once I inserted card, it changes it to the SIM card. Now not everybody has the SIM card in the language that they want to use, so HUAWEI, why would you give me a choice of setting up my device if you're just gonna tell me to screw off and change it? So yeah, so to change it, let's go into the settings, which is this gear icon right over here. It always will look the same. Then scroll all the way down to, I believe it's gonna be system and updates, which is the icon right over here, the blue one, phone, and a gear icon, tap on it, and then it looks like it's a third position from the top, so as you can see right over here. And once you tap on it, you should see a couple keyboards, and at the very top is the language and the region, so choose the first option, and then tap on the blue text right over here, not the one with the bars, but the one below that, so this one. And from here just simply find your language. So I'm gonna choose English because nope, there we go. So once you go back, because it just brings up keyboard options, you can check right here to change it. So on the right side, tap on it and to automatically change it to the default language, and there we go, we're back in English like we're at the beginning of the video. And that is how you change that language. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.